favorite. It has salty fish in it. Ordered grab from my favorite little Korean cafe. We're not eating here tonight, but I've eaten here 3 different times, and I believe they finally just got a Michelin. It's super high-end fine dining with Thai flavors. It's really one of the best high-end meals that I've ever had. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a sort of a fine dining experience with Thai flavors, because their Thai flavors were super spot on. Tonight we're actually having dinner at Shogun again because it was so good. Really good Japanese food. And not too far. Meals make it so easy. God, if I lived in Thailand, I feel like I would just eat at 7-Eleven. I heard these little wontons are actually really good. And then of course there's the toasty tuna salmon croissant sandwich. This one's really good. I also really like the shredded pork with chili paste. Ooh, egg tart. And they will actually warm it up for you. The one that I'm looking for, which I don't know if they have any longer, is... Well, these are similar, but it's sticky rice. And the one that I like is pork. And then it has nampik noom, which is like a green chili paste. Then of course there's just the classic egg salad, which is always good. But this one, it's so good. It has coconut, black rice, and it's like a croissant.
Don't know how I can explain. 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어. 나 왜 이런 걸까? You're the cure to all my pains. 널 좋아하나 봐.
What's boy plum?
Yeah, he
Oh, plum.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Pickled plum. It tastes like those.
Yeah.
Mine is lotus root juice. Yum. A lot. So light and crispy. Doesn't even taste like fish. Tastes like a chip. I can't move. Can't move. Then you get a little spice caddy with pickled jalapeno, dry Thai chili, fish sauce, and sugar. But this soup specifically, you don't need anything. It's sweet, it's salty, but I just add a little bit of the vinegar and it makes it like. And then it has seafood and morning glory and blood, but I don't eat the blood. And with Thai noodle soups, they always put a bunch of fried toppings, like the crispy fish skin. And it's that texture again, gives it a nice crunch. So good. Yeah, it's a little sweet, salty, and tart from the vinegar. You can't even tell that the pink stuff is fermented tofu, but it gives it that little bit of sweet and tart. I think this is a shrimp ball. So bouncy. You definitely have to like that sort of texture to have shrimp and fish balls. Crispy tofu. It's crunchy and then it soaks up all the broth. This one's probably my favorite though. It's the taro, right? Yeah, crispy taro. And it's been sitting in the juices.อันนี้อร่อยปะอันนี้ข้างในเป็นไส้อะไรนะ Tofu skin with shrimp in it. Fried fish. Came back to my favorite tea shop to get my regular clear matcha and roasted cocoa. It's like they roast the coconut water somehow. So it's matcha's coconut juice, but roasted coconut juice. Hi, Mumu. Hi, Mumu. It's raining. And I have a nail appointment in 50 minutes across the street. The crazy thing about the rain this high up, this many floors up, is it looks like snow. This is the best nail salon. I would come here twice during my stay. Once when I arrive and once when I leave. This one is a salad with nam, fermented pork, and then stir-fried cabbage with fish sauce. And of course, fried chicken wings. Stir-fried glass noodles,ผัดวุ้นเส้นชะอม Vietnamese food for my final lunch. Everything was really, really good. Bye, Mom. It's incredibly chaotic near the Yadom section. It's like the herbal balm has become so popular that people are crowding to get it. Elephant print has become so popular too. It's everywhere. Also, if you're at Suvarnabhumi and you're trying to get last minute souvenirs, if you come down to the level that the lounges are on, these duty-free King Power shops, empty. Upstairs, madness. Finally made it to the lounge. This is much more fun on the way here than on the way back. Ooh, I'm at the Hello Kitty terminal.